Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. And today's topic is this. When should you add to your portfolio? When should you add to your portfolio? And this is what I want to address today. I'm borrowing from the wisdom of Jack Bernstein. Jack Bernstein is a day trader based in the US. I have a number of his books that I've read before, and I'll continue borrowing from his wisdom. My aim is to borrow from the wisdom of many researchers, many investors, many authors. Borrow from their wisdom so that we are all wise. These guys have made millions and millions and millions of shillings. They have made millions of dollars. Billions, actually. And when we borrow from them, we are all able to be wise. We are all able to make profits in the stock market. The answer question is this. When should you add to your portfolio? And I want to give you an answer. Add to your portfolio when there's trouble. You see, people are crying, oh, Corona this, Corona that, oh, Corona is killing people. But do you know, when Corona came, that was the best time to buy stocks. Let me give you a sample. During Corona pandemic, when Corona struck, Equity Bank share price in the year 2020 dropped to 28 shillings. As I'm speaking to you, the share is nearly doubled. It's now 48. Having gained nearly 90% return in less than a year, in about a year or so. What about Safaricom? Safaricom was about 28. Now it's about 42. It has also gained massively. So, Corona gave guys an opportunity to make money in the stock market because the stock went down. Any stock, Jubilee Insurance, for example, was 265. Currently, Jubilee is about 400 shillings. Actually, 380, 390 to be exact. BAT, for example, went as low as 305 shillings. BAT went up to 305 shillings. As I speak to you now, BAT went up in price to about 470 as at today, July 23rd. So when is the best time to add to your portfolio if you're owning a stock? One, add to your portfolio when there's trouble, when there is blood on the streets. Warren Buffett says so. Add when there's trouble. Now, one of the trouble I've said is pandemics, the corona pandemic. The other trouble that Kenyans generate for themselves during is the elections. Every 5 years, Kenyans just have a way of either causing trouble or doing a lot of things that are not worthy of doing. One of them is post-election violence. We've had post-election violence in the year 2008, a serious one. And we had another one again in 2018, mild one though. But again, guys in the opposition, a lot of them died. Over 300 NASA supporters were killed by the police, died. 300 is a recorded one. Others died and they were not recorded. So elections and post-election violence in Kenya. So next year, guys are afraid that, elections, don't be afraid. When elections happen and the big boys fight and the stocks go down, buy. That's a very good time to buy. The other time to buy stocks is after dividends. After dividends, the stocks drops. And it drops in most cases by more than 10%. So if this stock has been going up for a while, we say the stock has been trending for a while, and then after dividend it drops, then it drops by, let's say, 10%, pick it there. Because you know what? It will continue going up. This is what happened with Equity Bank. Equity Bank did not declare dividends. So what happened? The stock was at 40, it dropped to about 37. Those who are wise bought. I told the members in my VIP group, guys, buy Equity Bank at 37 because it's going up. I knew it was going up. And guess what? I was right. The stock went from 37, it went a high up to 48, 49 shillings. So the best time to buy stocks is after dividend. And now, if a company also decides not giving dividend, and it's a growth company, it's a value company, buy. Why? It will continue going up. So, ladies and gentlemen, those are 4 points you need to get well. When do you buy stocks? 1, when there's trouble. Kenyans generate post-election violence every 5 years. Buy. When there's another trouble, the corona pandemic, buy. When there's another trouble, not trouble really, but when the stock goes down after the dividends, buy. And also when there's some bad news. Bad news happen all the time. When bad news happens about a given company, the company mostly dips. The company share goes down. Buy. It will rise. Guys will forget the bad news. Whatever news it is, guys will forget the bad news. But not financial news. If it's bad financial news, it's making losses and things like that, exit. But if it's manageable news, the CEOs are in some scandal. Kenyans love so much scandal. Guys will forget the scandal and the share price will go up. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, hit the red button, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Bye, Oriti.